What's up guys? I'm here with another YouTube video. Today I've got super exciting news. I just got an amazing package in the mail that I've been waiting for, and I'm gonna unbox it with you live. So it's called Virtual Surfer. They just sent me my kit. If you haven't heard of Virtual Surfer, I've got the link in the description below. So check it out and make sure you look at their website because it's super awesome and a really cool concept. Anyway, let's get right into this unboxing. I'm really excited to see what's inside. Oh, okay. First thing I see is this super sweet rash guard. I love the color. All right, this is telling me what's inside. I've got a movement tracker and a drone. Don't stare at the paper, try it out. I'm ready to try it out. That's what I want to do. Don't just stand there. Okay, it looks like Virtual Surfer just signed me up for a competition already. So I need to start preparing August 20th through 27th. Make sure you go online and rate me. I'm trying to win this, and I guess this is day one of my training. Next thing I see, it looks like a super cool poster. It's got my competition up there. Nice. This is a nice little motivation for me. I'm gonna hang this up on my wall and look at it every night and get ready for the competition. Okay, the next thing I see is the user manual for the drone. Don't read it, go surf. Okay, I'm not gonna read it. I wanna go surf. Look at this. This drone will follow me around while I'm surfing, which is super cool. I'm not a big technology guy, but I have always wanted when I'm surfing, for someone to be able to record my tricks, but I don't know how I was ever able to do that, with a GoPro or something. It's not as good of an angle. So to get this from above is super sick and super worth the $200 I spent. The last thing I see in here is probably the movement tracker. Yep. That's all there is to it in this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. And check out Virtual Surfer. See you later, guys.